Alrighty guys, what's going on? Today we're back, and today I'm going to show you how to degrease your engine or make it look really clean along with your whole bike. I made a video on how you should wash your bike, but today I'm going to show you how to clean it up. Like, look at all that gunk. Got that, you got a bunch of oil near my sprocket. Now, what you want, if you have it, it's pretty cheap, gunk engine degreaser, the original. Works pretty good. I personally like it best myself because it's worked better than all the other brands I've had. So right now I'm gonna let the bike cool down. I just took it for a ride, and then I'll get back to you guys and I'll show you how to clean your bike good with this stuff. Alright, so the bike's cooled down now. The wind helped it a lot too. So what you want to do is get your hose, turn it on, of course. And then what I personally like to do first is just hose it down, get it a little bit wet, and then get your engine degreaser and just start spraying the heck out of it everywhere. Mostly on that engine, look at that. Most of it's already coming off. Get down in there. Get all your linkage, and then let it sit for a couple seconds. Get all that nasty oil off, and then spray it down. What I personally like to do with this thing is put it on jet. If I can find it, there we go. And then just spray the whole thing down. It may take you a few times to get it just right, but it does work. As you can see, most of that engine gunk is gone. The engine looks pretty clean. Ooh, that wind's howling. And after, you want to grab that engine degreaser again, get one last good coat. I know it doesn't mix well with water, but it still does the job. All that nasty oil. Degrease everything. Some of you are probably saying, oh, you're spraying it too much. No, I'm not. Say what you say. And then just hose it down one more time really good. Get all that gunk out of there. See if I can get the hose some more slack. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, that's how you get your engine looking sparkly clean. Of course, this is a 02 YZ85, so it's kind of bad. But anyways, thanks for watching, like, and subscribe. Peace out.